Ya Allah, why does it hurt so much? I gave my best and still everything shattered. Why me? Why now? I trusted and they broke me. I prayed but you were silent. I tried but nothing worked. Is this my punishment? Have you forgotten me? Because Allah, I feel so alone.
Do not grieve, indeed, Allah is with us. And we will surely test you with something of fear and hunger and a loss of wealth and lives and fruits, but give good tidings to the patient. So be patient. Indeed, the promise of Allah is truth. And ask forgiveness for your sin and exalt Allah with praise of your Lord in the evening and the morning. And your Lord has not forsaken you, nor has He hated you.
But Ya Rab, I cried every night. I begged you. Why did you let them leave? Why didn't you protect me when I asked? Why do I feel like I'm being torn from the inside? Why didn't you save me from the heartbreak?
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows, while you know not. It may be that you dislike a thing while Allah has placed much good in it. Indeed, with hardship comes ease. Indeed, with hardship comes ease. And whoever relies upon Allah, then He is sufficient for him.
Maybe I deserved it. I haven't been close to you. I got distracted. I chased people instead of praying to you. I feel so ashamed. But Allah, is there still a way back?
And your Lord says, call upon me, I will respond to you. Say, O my servants who have transgressed against themselves, do not despair of the mercy of Allah. Indeed, Allah forgives all sins. Indeed, it is He who is the forgiving, the merciful. And when my servants ask you concerning me, indeed I am near. I respond to the invocation of the supplicant when he calls upon me.
You were never silent. I just didn't know how to listen. I thought you abandoned me, but you were pulling me closer. I was blaming the pain, but it was the pain that brought me back to you.
So, remember me, I will remember you. And whoever turns back to Allah in repentance and does righteousness, indeed, he turns to Allah with repentance. And Allah is the ally of the believers. This was not just pain. It was your Lord calling you back. Will you answer?